How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. Now, first things first is we'll have to make sure that under our display settings is set up properly. To do that, just simply right click anywhere on your desktop and then go to display settings. Now from here, you'll have to identify which specific main screen you're currently using. If you're not sure, just click on identify and then it will automatically highlight these boxes as square if that's the current or that's your main monitor. And from here, you just have to scroll down and then under display resolution, you'll have to set this as recommended. And you're going to do it as well on display orientation. Now, once everything is set, just restart your PC and try to relaunch your Roblox if it's already fixed. Now, next thing to do is go to your Windows settings, click on the Windows icon and go to the gear icon right there and type in Windows Store. Now, click on Find and Fix Problems with Windows Store Apps. From here, you'll have to click on Advanced and then you'll have to check on apply repairs automatically and go ahead and click on next. Now these Windows Store apps repair will actually fix any problems or any issues that you have on your current PC. And then, by the way, you'll also have to make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. To do that, go back to your Windows icon and click look for update. From here, click on check for updates and then just make sure that your operating system is up to date by clicking this check for updates. So those are basically the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix your Roblox cursor going off screen.